The U.S. Air Force may be deploying B-2 Spirit strategic bombers to Diego Garcia, a key American base in the Indian Ocean, amid the Iran-Israel conflict. While the Pentagon has not confirmed the movement, multiple defense sources suggest that the stealth bombers could be en route to the remote island facility, which has long served as a strategic hub for U.S. operations in the Indo-Pacific and Middle East regions. The aircraft, manufactured by Northrop Grumman and operated by the U.S. Air Force Global Strike Command, are capable of delivering both 30,000-pound bunker busters and nuclear payloads over intercontinental distances. Their ability to operate undetected in contested airspace makes them a critical element of American long-range strike capabilities. As noted in previous deployments, B-2 bombers are occasionally rotated to forward locations such as Andersen Air Force Base in Guam or Royal Air Force Fairford in the United Kingdom as part of Global Bomber Task Force missions. However, deployment to Diego Garcia is less frequent and typically associated with high readiness alerts in the Middle East region, including Iran. According to previous statements by U.S. defense officials, B-2 deployments are used to demonstrate readiness, reassure allies, and provide decision-makers with flexible global strike options. The aircraft's presence in Diego Garcia would likely be part of such a posture signal. The B-2 Spirit, first introduced in the late 1990s, is one of the most advanced aircraft in the U.S. arsenal. With a flying wing design and a very low observable profile, it can penetrate heavily defended airspace to carry out long-range precision strikes.